All right, so here's a look at this stool that I just got for our garage. You can see that it's got this piece down here at the bottom, which I really like. It's gonna be different than your traditional pull handle. It's all the way around the chair. So regardless of where you grab it at, you can even grab it from here, from here, from here. No matter where you grab it, it's gonna allow you to press and use the hydraulics. So right now we're at the lowest point, and this is great for if you need to pick something off the ground, or maybe you're working on something kind of like low. This was great for times when maybe you're putting something together. But if you're just going to be working at like a workbench, you could just press that, go up, and then now you're at your traditional, normal, kind of like higher chair height. Another awesome thing about this one specifically, compared to like all the other ones on Amazon, is it has these rollerblade wheels, which make rolling around a lot more smooth than kind of like a caster wheel. So you can see, even if I don't touch it, it's going to automatically slide all around. And this is great because these wheels are kind of like rubberized, so you're not going to be seeing this fly all over the place. It's just kind of like a controlled movement, and it just makes it a lot easier than having to go back and forth a bunch of times. You could just push once, and you'll kind of slide all over the place. So I do like that they did those wheels. Now the design of this is going to be a black leather, which is better than the shiny material ones. Those ones, if they get some oil on it, they get really slippery. So I like having this leather pad. Plus the pad on here is very dense. You can see even if I put all my weight on it, there's still a little bit of give. A little bit of room in there. So if you're on the heavier side, this will work great for you. Down at the bottom, it's got these chrome legs, and it was pretty easy to put together. All you got to do is basically connect the legs, connect the hydraulic, and then you're done. So super simple to put together. I love that there is no back on this. Makes it really easy to just slide, sit on it, and then get off of it really easily. Perfect for working in the garage and perfect for just everyday use around the house. So if you're looking for something for the garage or maybe at your workplace, then I would definitely recommend this one.